Season's greetings. How you do? It's been a little while, not too long. We're in December. December. Guys, just got through November. I told you November was one of my sweet months. Celebrated a birthday, so that was nice, quiet, and sweet, just the way I like it at times. And so I've noticed you've been enjoying the Cape Coast Asebu content. Quite pleased about that. I'm just going to bring one or two points to the fore, or vital information that was not covered in that one-on-one with Byron. And it's the free land for interested persons from the diaspora. Now, there are many persons from the diaspora that says, and it may sound familiar to you, no man, I have to own something, Africa, and if it's Ghana, I want a piece of land. But here what happened. Free land, administrative costs thus far $1,200. If you want to call it a catch, you can call it a catch, But the messaging behind it, I understand and endorse fully. Now, yes, you pay your $1,200 as of to date. Yes, get your receipt. Within 7 days, you get the allocation document. 3 to 5 months, indenture comes through. You have until 2 years to put something on your free land. You have to start building. Whether it's a tent or lay a brick, you have 2 years in which to do so. Yes, there is a grace period. And I will say for serious persons, please reach out to the Asebu Management Project. The contact numbers are there. I posted it on the community post to find out how much longer you have once you have passed the 2 years. Why is that so? Because you have seen a glimpse of that massive 5,000 acreage of land. As you quint, it bushel. So you really can't have, persons paying the administrative costs and then the land goes untendered. That cannot happen, must not happen. And so, because I brought it to you from my content, then I have to ensure that when I package it right so that there's no misunderstanding. All right? So you have to put something on your plot of land. And if it gets too high, so if you're not physically in Ghana, then you have to have that communication, how to maintain your plot of land until you are able, within the 2 years, maximum 2 years. Again, there's a grace period, but if nothing happens, you're going to lose the land. Yes, you're going to lose the free land. The question, anything I need to sign, can we do that online? No, it cannot do online. You have to come to Ghana. You physically have to come to Ghana and collect your indenture document. And of course, with your signature, and you check that all is in order. So the idea behind the Asebu project. It's that the free land are for those persons in the diaspora who intends to move to Ghana or to invest in Ghana. So whether it is you went back and forth or whatever you choose to do, if you get this free land, again, I have to keep on reiterating, $1,200 is for administrative costs. So when you acquire this free land, it can't just stay there. No, it cannot. So please bear that in mind. You'll have to put something on there. A structure has to go on there. Right? I hope that is extremely clear, so that if, we don't get frustrated because we either did not understand, and sometimes we say yes and we understand and we don't understand. And I'm a firm believer sometimes, I don't care if the questions sound foolish, but until you get it, it's very important to ask a lot of questions. But not many persons are like that. And sometimes you have the impulse, especially when things are coming out on YouTube, that you'll go back and the ranting starts. Okay? The other thing is your lease. Byron addressed, and the length of time for your lease, or your indenture, is 55 years. I've gotten the information and said, 50 years. Let me say this to you. On the content, we said maximum 55 years. But when you get, so if you want to work, even if it's 50, right? Just keep that in mind. But again, guys, everything is not going to be done in the global space. At some point in time, you have to land to destination Ghana, meet and greet, and have your indenture in your hand. Okay, so I guess that will put a spin on it. Some persons in the heat of the moment may say, yes, man, I can get that $1,200. I run my partner, or I do whatever I want to do, and all is well. I have something there on the continent. Sure, but, and that's the big but, all right? The final paperwork that you're to receive, again, the indenture, you're not going to get that outside. Nothing is couriered to you. You have to, again, make that trip to destination Ghana. And again, most importantly, do something with that piece of land that you now own or intending to own within 2 years. The reason why I don't want to guesstimate the extension time, I really think that's something you speak directly with the management of Asebu Baron to get that, as I would say, out of the horse's mouth. No, yes, as I said, it's December. Just to let you know, Christmas is coming knocking. I'll be out of town. And I hope to bring you, I will bring you some content about where I am going to spend the Christmas, just for a couple days. I am excited because I've never been there before, and let me see. So guys, that's it from Diane S. Just wanted to touch base and bring that to you. Hold tight. Thank you very much. Channel is moving. We took off. And we're taking my time and we're going there, but I'm pleased with it so far. But to let you know that you'll get more content when I head out to where I intend to go for the Christmas. It's a little way. It's a little way. All right, let me give you a little hint there. I have to take the coach. Right? Well, I can fly or I can take the coach. But I'm not doing any flying right now. I don't want to go inside no plane anytime soon. My Jekyll, we're off a plane and all of that with the hours that I did when I arrived in Ghana. And plus, taking the coach for me is like a different type of scenic route. And let me experience that. Okay? So, thanks for staying with me, because I already told you this is the part-time hobby for you guys. And so, I'm not going to be able to be churning things out every couple of days or every week. But when I do drop something, it has to be as for me, what I'm actually doing and what I can share to the space out there. All right, and I do appreciate the comments. So have a good Sunday. Please share, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. May I say, God bless.